Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Facebook page home and remove a page post using the latest Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. In just a few simple steps, you can keep your page neat and showcase only what you want your followers to see. Let's jump straight in. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account that manages your page. The Facebook app's new update brings a fresh layout and some changes to how you interact with your page. But don't worry, it's still super easy to manage your posts. Next, navigate to your page's home. If you're not already on your page, click on your profile picture in the top corner. Select See All Profiles and choose the page you want to work on. Once you're on your page, take a moment to scroll through your timeline or posts section and find the post you wish to remove from your page home. Got it? Great. Now move your mouse pointer to the top right corner of that post. You'll notice a small X icon appearing. The Facebook app's latest update has made this icon more accessible for managing your content quickly. Click on this X icon. A prompt may appear, asking you to confirm the removal of the post from your page home. Don't worry, removing a post from your home page doesn't delete it entirely, unless you choose that option. It simply hides it from your main timeline, keeping your page organized and looking fresh. Click Remove or Hide from Page Home on the confirmation window. Just like that, the post disappears from your page's home feed. This is perfect for managing old announcements, promotions that have ended, or just curating the best content for your visitors. And there you have it. Your page home is now cleaner, and you have complete control over what your audience sees first. If you ever want to bring a post back, check your page's content management options for ways to restore or repost it. Thanks for tuning in.